Creating a dedicated reviews page for your Shopify brand is an easy way to capture and convert high intent searches from people already aware of your brand and interested in your products. In this video, I'll show you how and why you should set up a reviews page to leverage social proof and customer testimonials. Let's jump right in. So the whole idea here is to create a dedicated reviews page to highlight those wonderful customer reviews you've been collecting. If you're not collecting customer reviews currently, you definitely should. And of course, that's going to be step 0 in the process of actually being able to leverage those reviews and social proof to improve your conversion rates and attract more customers. And I do have some suggestions later on for apps that you can use to collect these reviews. So stick around for that. And basically the idea behind creating this reviews page, which isn't so much for SEO, it is a little bit, but mostly you want to capture those high intent searches for people that are aware of your brand. They're searching for your brand plus reviews of your brand. Basically, I want to make sure that you're legit before buying. And basically you want to bring those high intent searchers directly to your website instead of to a third-party review site like Trustpilot or something like that. So here's an example of what I'm talking about. Essentially, just create a reviews page, like literally /reviews here, compiling all the reviews, showing all your 5-star reviews from previous customers. And that's basically the goal here. It's pretty simple. I do consider this a quick win. It is worth your time to get this set up and configured, and it will automatically update in the future. So it's just a one-time setup pretty much, and just make sure you don't mess it up later on so that it keeps working in your favor. So here's just another example of how you can set this out. I mean, really don't have to overcomplicate it here. The whole point is just get this page created pretty much and you'll be set. Don't need to do anything fancy. So how do we actually create this reviews page? Of course, Shopify online store pages, create a new page, just title it your brand name plus reviews. Don't get cute with it and just make your URL handle just /reviews and add a simple SEO title and description. So customer reviews from your brand, read the reviews from hundreds or thousands. I mean, you can add a number. You don't want to add an exact number because of course the number of reviews is going to fluctuate over time, but at least add some sort of level of magnitude here, like hundreds or thousands, millions of happy customers. So yeah, just give some sort of insight on how many customers you've helped, to just add even more social proof here. And how do you even populate this reviews page? So the easiest way is to just use an app. Klaviyo Reviews, Judge.me are pretty big ones that I'm sure, there's tons of other apps that you can use. Just depends on your personal preference. Take into account the features, pricing, just get something that works for your store that can just collect these reviews on autopilot basically to keep building up your social proof over time. So any app that you consider should automatically email customers after a certain number of days after product delivery to ask them for photos, videos, and just written reviews of their experience. At the very least, give you a star rating. But ideally, you'll be able to collect a good amount of photos and videos, which just have a lot more impact than just a text review or just seeing another star. So to tactically set this page up using the Judge.me app, this is like one that I use more so than others. So in Shopify, when you create that page, there's going to be a template show up. It's going to be called Judge Me All Reviews. That's how you can set this up. There should be some sort of support articles or like how to implement from whatever app you're using, how to add that to Shopify. Because you don't want to just click the reviews. You want to be able to showcase them here on their own page. So there should be some sort of template, some way to integrate that to a dedicated page on your site, in addition to just showing a snippet of your reviews, like say on your homepage or other pages. And yeah, so your review page will be fully configured now. So after you get this page set up, be sure to save it, preview it, make sure everything is showing up correctly. If not, contact the customer support of whatever app that you decided to use. And most importantly, you want to make sure that it gets updated over time so that you keep showing the most recent reviews at the very top. So you don't want to just show reviews from like 3 years ago. Not very helpful, not very incentivizing. It can actually turn customers away if there's not more recent results there. So keep that in mind as well. Just want to check in periodically, make sure the integration is still working correctly. But really, this is going to be more of a one-time setup. So final steps to just check all the boxes here. Make sure to add that page to your main menu so it's easily accessible, going to be indexed and crawled by search engines. Add internal links to it from your homepage. So, say if you embed customer reviews, like the top 5 reviews, or you have a little widget on your homepage, you can add a button of like see more reviews, link to your reviews page. Also from other core site pages like your contact, about page, and just any other page like FAQs, anywhere else where it might make sense depending on how your store is set up. Those are going to be 3 good spots in addition to the main menu at the very least, to link to this reviews page. And lastly, you want to make sure that the reviews page is getting updated continually over time, on autopilot with whichever app you're using. And that's really all there is to it. Just kind of one-time setup like I mentioned. And this whole step of creating a brand reviews page is just one part of my top 10 quick wins for Shopify SEO. There's actually point number 11. It's a bonus quick win. But there are 10 other quick wins you can get. You can check the first link in the description below to download the full guide for even more impactful and actionable SEO tips for Shopify. If this was helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.